na amikuko ina yo fiki na polo ma yo nuro
idede webe lane no siene ni ha ulane no toge ogwe ni be na baye gwana ogwe ni ogwaro nuro ba
igwe mari
ma igwe ni wata ma we igwe ni bag money we for the last time una we gbe try ina we gbe mi ogwe ni ba ogwe ni ya gwa ogwe eke ana me ekwe mu e wa siene
Ibru na me kick out na be I make it out your way.
Are you kick out your way?
Yes. I make it out.
Igwe ime o mami me bo mi me. O wa jo o ja nu waja me kwa aka. Imami mi ni o.
Ije la gogo. La egui. Obi gbonu dana mama na no.
Mami me.
La gogo.
Hey, man, what you? They bad man go not can cost me. What in the nonsense? See, if you try again next time, I'll see what you'll do. For the time I don't want you.
When you say kuno mama, you let press one girl.
Uchenna! What did they use this food they do for his house?
Mama, this food, not for my papa, your husband. Every night he gonna beat you, you're the cry. Papa, daddy, mommy, Chineke. See, this net, if you try on.
Hey! Hey! Chineke me! Uchenna! So you dey look me and your papa for his house?
Mama, this one be Chineke me. This net, if you not try if you try I'll kill her.
Come on for here! I no fear. Hey! This pikin no be pikin again, no! Hey! Hey!
Hey, excuse me. Hello, how you doing?
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello. Baby, what you order them to say? I just like you.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you. God bless you. I beg no vessel. I bid look for 10,000 euro. You feel help me?
Not too big for you now. And you will be small picking. I give you 10,000 naira. What you want to can do by the way they give you 10,000? You ask you small risk.
No vess. You will be big person. I be you be small picking.
Okay, now
because men know the one want to talk to you.
Okay, now that one the reason. Yeah, we not guy man. No, this street. I me be chairman for this area. Master, I me be chairman.
May I tell you, I not be meet for small picking like you. Because your plug no fit start my age. Excuse me.
See small girl. No be here you come. See, if you not take her, I'll tell that say me no enter this area again. But then I worry this small pikin.
Mama Uchenna. Asigini. Wetin happen when you pull hand for your joy like this? Huh?
Papa Uchenna. Papa Uchenna. You don't say when I tell you for this house, then you go carry room a palo. Go carry room a palo. You know what carry. Nah. Uchenna don't know what he would they do for his house. Cry when they cry for his house. All the whole community don't know until they cry for night.
How did they cry for night?
I don't know for you, oh. Because for night now, me, I will they cry. Uchenna say you they beat me because that time I true they cry, oh. I they cry. Mommy, oh, daddy, oh, Chineke, oh, I go they cry. You know, agree leave me. Huh? Now Uchenna here now. He got the talker now. All the whole community they don't hear now. Huh?
Now so you they cry for night? Now so you they cry for night?
I dey tell you now, fair money, go rent 2 room. Go rent 2 room, oh. If not, now you, now go suffer.
My wife, just come out that one for mind. Huh? Come out that for mind. Me go tell Uche, say, now me fair come live before her. And now me born Uche, I guess it's person. You hear me I talk? Just come out that for mind. You hear me? Sir. You see this money? You go buy volume 5. After you don't eat evening food, you give her this tablet. Make it chopper.
Eh.
Yes. You go know say, na me be Papa. You don't get sense.
Papa Uche.
Yes.
Sure say that one go work.
Overwork.
Uche dey stubborn.
Na me born na.
I
Na me
don't
born na. I know sense where I go follow. Where Uche go dey. Leave that room, leave that one. If God bring money, I go do am.
I don't hear. I'll go bear now. In the evening, I'll put her for your food.
My wife. I don't find you come back here. They come and go inside.
They go. I the vest now.
No, my Uche. Is the jealousy? Uchenna, where you go for?
I go see my friend.
You go see your friend. You go see your friend. Hey, Uchenna, you put fire for her, then go see your friend. Hey, Uchenna. Hey, who shot the tell mama? Which one? You come up for mama. Yes, what you tell mama? Eh? See, make I tell you, if I hear that word for your mouth again, if I hear them, this your mouth, I will cut her to.
You don't talk your own.
Yes.
Papa, if you dey beat mama for night, every night you gonna cry. You gonna cry and say tomorrow not dead. See, if I hear that cry again, you see. Papa, I don't tell you, if you try again, see what you dey try.
Uchenna! Biaruzo! Papa, see.
Take this medicine. Take water.
They give medicine. I know they sick now.
I know say you know they sick. Now one medicine. Swallow am.
The bitter.
You don't swallow am. Open your mouth. Your tongue. Just say swallow. May I look your hand. Just say swallow am.
I don't want to know, Mama.
So yeah, they go. Now one medicine, oh, so they want they do you well. Go inside. So, say you get sense.
You don't give her the mix.
I give her, you never sleep.
You don't sleep for her. You know, yesterday is enough. You gotta sleep now.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
You sure?
I beg. I beg, put me there again.
Okay, now. Oh, shit, now.
Thank you.
Okay.
Baba.
Okay.
Baba, see your medicine. Okay. You think say you wise. Go tell your wife, may go buy medicine, give me medicine. So that for night I will sleep. Baba, see your medicine.
Chineke me. Uchenna.
Baba. Baba! Make una come, my daddy want kill me, oh! My daddy want kill me!
Uchenna, you don't do. You don't know as Uchenna be. If you beat her now, everybody when they this house, they go wake up. I beg. You don't.
Uchenna.
Hey.
Uchenna. Huh?
Uchenna.
You wise.
Hey.
Hey, Uche.
People, Baba.
Hey, Uchenna, Biko, one. You don't do now. You sleep. Uchenna, Biko, sleep, eh? You don't do
Papa, may you sleep.
now.
I know what.
Papa, sleep.
Uchenna, Biko, sleep, eh?
Whether I be bomb you or not, you bomb me.
Papa, Uchenna.
Do.
Hey, you don't do.
You wise. I'm not here.
You don't do.
I'm not going to put eye. Go to put eye for me. Me.
You don't do.
Lucia.
Hey. Uchenna, don't pick up. Sleep.
I to keep me for watch night, so. You.
Papa, Uchenna.
Not me there. I'm not sure I'm born.
Trace me, I sleep. Hey.
What you making me? Where is this boy?
Papa.
Tom!
I don't my pikin.
Oh, Uchenna.
Mama, the husband is taking go village. Mama, don't worry. I will be back very soon.
I hear that pikin.
Mama, not to say no yeah. Beware of this man. Beware of this man very well. This man.
You shut up and move!
I talk again. What you know?
Alele.
Papa Uchenna, I don't do now. And they say this way you won't follow. Wanna still wait, make the rain first come down first now.
If I hear your mouth for this word again, you will follow him.
No
You go
vex.
follow him. He carry sword. Who's the carry sword? Where was that one sword? Huh?
No vex now. They go see Uchenna don't come out.
Now you talk and say the whole community don't hear. Uche don't narrate people everywhere. Huh? I want to go village, go give my grandmama. Make they go farm, make it suffer small. Before you know, say, now me be papa. Ah!
I don't hear my husband. Go meet her, though.
Oh, yeah, move.
Uchenna, that's there. Papa Uchenna,